Hello, in this video I wanted to show how to install ffmpeg for Windows and use it with the MicMac GUI to process a video file. I'll basically be following the instructions down here under ffmpeg install for Windows. First thing you want to do is go to ffmpeg.org. From there you can go to the download button. And I'm downloading for Windows. I go to this first link under Windows exe files, Windows build from Guyan Dev. It takes me to his web page. And at the top is the most recently built versions. I think they build them every few days. What I downloaded was down here in the release build section. And I downloaded the ffmpeg release full version. It might be possible to use the essentials, but I wasn't sure. I figured full is safer. I have that down here on my desktop. I'm going to go ahead and extract it. And that's done. Have it up here. And this is the folder I want to copy. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Put it into my wherever I want it to be. I want it to go into programs, so I'll paste that folder here. I'm going to rename it. Get rid of all the extra stuff. Just call it ffmpeg. Okay, next step, I'm going to come down here to the search bar in the lower left, type env for environment, and I want to edit environment variables. Take that first one, I think that should be it. It'll look like this, system properties, go to the environment variables button, and over here, under user variables for myself, I want to search for the path and edit. And I want to create a new path and browse. And find that on my computer. ffmpeg. And I just blanked. I don't know if I need the ffmpeg or ffmpeg bin. I'm going to go back to my instructions, double check that. There it is. I'm going to go to the ffmpeg bin. All right. Bin folder, okay. Has it here to the bottom. So okay. And I want to add it to the MicMac GUI. So under the start section, I'm going to scroll on down here, ffmpeg path. If you're installing this for Linux, you don't need to do anything. Just the word ffmpeg is enough for it to find it. So I'm going to do the path and give it that same location. Under C, Programs, ffmpeg, and choose the executable, ffmpeg. And it tells me to restart it to finish setting the path. I go ahead and restart it. Okay, now we're back in business. Now the file I found for a demonstration is on the 3dflow.net webpage in their tutorial section for their 3D Zephyr product. Here's a full link right there. Again, this is the video, 74.9 megabytes. Now the larger file is the video plus a bunch of 3D Zephyr files, I think. But I've already downloaded this video to my desktop. And here it is right here. I'm going to take that and copy it into my folder that has all my samples. And PhotogrammetrySamples. And I'll paste it here. I'll take a quick look at it. Looks like some relief sculpture behind some glass. And the camera moving around randomly. All right, that's good. Now let me look at the properties and details. It's 1920 by 1080 and it's 36 seconds long. Let's go ahead and load that in. Clear any files. And I'll load the video at 1 frames per second. That'll give me 36 images since it's 36 seconds long. Those 3D Zephyr. Open that up, and now I wait. There's no feedback for the import process, so for a short video like that, only 30 seconds, it's just a short delay. But I've had a video that was a lot longer, and it took 1.5 minutes for the system just sitting there before I would even see anything. So there it is, it's in. It tells me that there's no EXIF information because videos don't have EXIF. Close that. I'm going to just assume 35mm and set EXIF for all the images. Okay, that's done. I'll go to Tapioca. I'll do all. And I'll leave it at half the image scale. Go ahead and run that. All right. Those errors that were showing up in the Tapioca run, the Tapioca ran, and I got all the way to the tapas step, and everything started failing. I messed around, I restarted the computer, and now it seems to be okay. So this is my second time running Tapioca. Hopefully there won't be any errors this time. And pressing run now. Okay, good. No errors shown. Like I said, I don't know where those errors came from, but I think restarting the computer cleared it out. Well, this is going to take about 10 minutes to run, so I'll either clip this or speed up the computer video, and I'll see you at the end of it. And we're back. About 8 minutes later, it's complete. There's no errors. So it should be good to go forward. And take a look at some of the type points. Make sure there's nothing. Yeah, everything's looking good. Next, go forward to the tapas step. I'll use radial extended for the selection and select 4 images for the calibration step. Gave me a little error. Okay, let's try that again. Maybe I'll just add 1 more image, see if that makes a difference. Could be that it can't handle the radial extended mode. Still an error. Okay, let's go all the way down to radial basic. Clear out anything that already ran and try it again. Okay, I guess the quality of the capture wasn't up to the higher standards of of radial extended mode, so we'll just take that as it is. Select the orientation final mode, select all the images, and run that. Right, about 13 minutes later, and it's done. Looks like all the errors are blue. Not great, but not terrible. Close that and make a preview. All right, here we go. You can see the camera pattern, a little bit on the random side. And got 186,000 points. Let's make a construction from this. I'll go ahead with the MicMac and create a dense cloud. And it's done. Okay, got a 3D result. This is as far as I wanted to take it. I just wanted to be sure that the full process is working, and it is. So with that, that will end this video. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.